So guys, today I am going to show you how to make TDS payment on purchase and sale of property. So we go to tin-nsdl.com services website, click on e-payment, pay taxes online. Directly proceed to Challan TDS on property form 26QB. You require the PAN cards of the buyer and the seller. So keep it handy. Now since my buyer is an individual, I click on income tax other than companies. Then I have to click on the status of the seller. My seller is resident in this case, so I click on the resident. Then I enter the details of the transferee. Transferee is the buyer. It shows automatically the category of the transferee, that is individual. Then as a confirmation I have to enter the PAN card details again. Then I enter the details of the seller. The names of transferee and the transferor are not masked over here and they are not displayed, but at the end while making the payment we will get to see the masked details of the buyer and the seller for our confirmation purpose. We enter the details of the transferee, address details of the transferee, details of the transferor. I'm entering only the important details over here. The sellers are more than one in my case, so I click on yes and proceed further. Now I have to enter the details of the property. The type of property in my case is land. I have to enter the date of agreement or date of booking of TDS, that means date of payment of TDS to the authorities, or rather date of making the payment of consideration from the buyer to the seller. Type of payment is lump sum. Date of credit is same as date of booking. Date of tax deduction is also same of date of making the payment. Then I enter the consideration in figures, 58 lakhs, 33,333. Click on next, e-tax payment immediately, or else there is an option of generating a challan and making the payment in the bank, but I have net banking or debit card, so I'm making the payment directly online. So I'm making the payment by the way of my debit card. So here you have to confirm all the details. If you have entered it right, then you can proceed further. Click on I agree and confirm. Save the acknowledgement number for your reference. Directly move on to the payment by submitting it to the bank. Enter the amount that you intend to pay the tax. The amount should be round figure, not in decimal. That's what we have to note over here. So the payment in my case has been done successfully. Now I have to click to over here to save the challan. We have to print this challan and attach it at the time of registration of sale deed. This is the challan details over here. Thank you.